students, how are you? Hope you are fine. So welcome back in art and craft class. So today we are going to learn a Rangoli design. Yes, Alpana Rangoli design, which is given in your book, page number 33. So just take out your book and notebook also, because we will draw this design in our notebook. Okay, so just take out. Yes, page number 33, Alpana design. So we'll draw this one, Rangoli design, and notebook. So just take out the compass, scale, yes, eraser. Okay, first we'll make small circle, then double it, then again, then yes. So for first small circle we'll take 2 centimeter and just make a round circle, and after that 4 centimeter, yes, and after that 6 and 8. First 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Okay, and yes, done. And after that you can see this one is 2 centimeter, so just take 0.5, means 2.5 here, and here 4, and till here 4.5, and don't need to make one more here. This one you will make single. Okay, after that we'll make this design, yes, like this. Make a cross, and after that erase the extra one and make a small circle inside. Done. Okay, now let's start this one design. First make a C, and like this. It's a kind of diya design. Done this one. Okay, next one, just mark like this, and in between done. After that just make a triangle like this. It's a conical shape. Done. Okay, now inside also make a small triangle like this. With equal space. Done. Okay, after that just make a leaf design like this. And all done. Okay, after that just make a small triangle in between the leaf design like this. according to the space. Then after that, inside make a circle. Okay, after that make one more circle for marking only. The last one circle till 8 centimeter, but you have to mark from here to here on 1 centimeter, means 7 centimeter you will mark one more circle, only mark, because, and after that just take a coin or any circle thing and just make a design like this. Like this and all. Then after that just erase the circle. This one is this one. Now again you have to make more. Like this. Okay, freehand also you can do, but just mark here. Like this till the end. Then okay, after that again make a circle like this and make a diya like this. Just make a diya design in all. Yes, it's done now. Okay, after that just erase this line. Yes, 8 centimeter one circle, just erase. Yes, done this much. Okay, now after that just do outline with the help of black sketch pen in whole rangoli. Okay, done outlining. After that we'll do the coloring with the help of pencil color. Yes, according to the here we'll do red color, here also, here also. Yeah. Yes, small one and small one triangle also, and in this cross also. Just do red. Take yellow color and do yellow color here. do yellow here also. Okay, yellow color done. Now take out the green color and do green here and in the leaves. Yes. Okay, done this much. Like this you will do the coloring here. Yes. You can use the sketch color also for coloring and pencil color also. So just do practice in your notebook like this. So student, as we learn the Rangoli design like this, so first make the circles according to the measurement, and after that just make a design, and you can do the coloring with the help of pencil color and with the help of sketch color also. So I have done the coloring with the help of pencil color. You can use any. So just do practice in your notebook like this, and that's it for today. We will meet in next class. Thank you so much.